me feeling pain, you know I can't control. I hate you, although you give me all the reasons why I found my soul. When I sleep, you're next to me, even though you're my enemy. I forgive all the harm you've done to me. When I wake, you're begging me, draining me of my energy. I forgive all the harm you've done to me. I love you, although you give me feeling pain, you know I can't control. I hate you, although you give me all the reasons why I found my soul. You're my anxiety, you're my anxiety. I don't want you, you don't need me, I don't need you. But without you, who would I be? I love you, although you give me feeling pain, you know I can't control. I hate you, although you gave me
just a part of him. Come on, raise your armaments. You shoot to kill, you shoot to kill. This house is for an arsonist, so burn me with your hardest kiss. No goodbyes or arguments. You shoot to kill, you shoot to kill. Echoes in my heart again. All is just a part of it. Come on, raise your armaments. You shoot to kill, you shoot to kill. This house is for an arsonist, so burn me with your hardest kiss. No goodbyes or arguments. You shoot to kill, you shoot to kill.
Look out your window, baby, where the snow is falling down. There's a thick white blanket covering all of this town. Everyone is inside. They're getting ready to eat by the table. I keep one empty seat. So you're not here. What can I do? It's another Christmas time without you. I wanna hold you so close, never ever let go. We'll go walking, play around in the snow. We'll watch the sun go down, and then the moon appear. We'll eat mince pies and drink red wine and beer. Then we'll cuddle closer like we just love to do. Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time with you. Christmas time with you. I want Christmas time with you. I ask Father Christmas now for just one little thing. It's something only angels can bring. To see you walk on in here now, through that creaky old door. I couldn't want for anything more. It would stop me feeling sad, hurting and blue. Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time with you. Christmas time with you. I want Christmas time with you. My Christmas should be with you.
Oh, I've come so far. just trying to make my parents proud. I hope that they can see how hard it was for me. 4 years now, about to be out on my own. I may be hesitant, but bitch, I'm grown. I can hold my own. 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 I can hold my own for the rest of my life. 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 Rest of my life.
Alright, this is a song that I wrote about falling too fast, but I wouldn't know anything about that.
I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answers. I've been on my phone 6:30, can't be texting you this early, 'cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last. My friends, they see the patterns. I say it's different, but it's only faster. How do I tell them? I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answers. I've been on my phone 6:30, can't be this early, 'cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last. My friends, they see the patterns. I say it's different, but it's only faster. How do I tell them that you're the exception, without repeating or just second guessing? For weeks and I know I'm sinking. Yeah, I'm falling, yeah, I'm leaving. You're not giving me a reason. Yeah, I'm falling, yeah, I'm leaving. So I'm thinking that we should end it before going sabotaging. And we weren't even together, so I don't need any closure. But I've been on my phone 6:30, can't be texting you this early, but I fell too fast and lost myself, and I just want you back. I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answers. I've been on my phone 6:30, can't be texting you this early, 'cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last.
Now that you're gone, I've finally gotten rid of my anxiety and all the little demons that were haunting me. Tell me why I miss them. Now that you're gone, I'm slowly getting used to reciprocity, but sometimes my heart is cool with mediocrity. But tell me why I do this to me. Ooh, a little flicker in the wind could set the world on fire. Ooh, sometimes the hardest part is fighting with your heart's desire. But now that you're gone, I miss you, so I hold on. And it feels right, then it feels wrong. Cause I love you, but I hate you. Then I wake up and the feeling's gone. And I'm happy, cause you're happy. But my heart lies and I found the truth. I'm better without you. But I hate lies and I love truth. So I hate it, then I love you. My common sense is caught up with my confidence, but my wicked heart still battles my intelligence. Why do I allow that? Why? I'm moving along. I finally threw away that little lock and key. San Francisco wants to be. Tell me why I want it back. Back. A little flicker in the wind to set the world on fire. So I hold on, and it feels right, then it feels wrong. Cause I love you, but I hate you. Then I wake up and the feeling's gone. And I'm happy, cause you're happy. But my heart lies and I found the truth. I'm better without you. But I hate lies and I love truth. So I hate it that I love you. I've heard the lies, I've heard the truth. I've seen you mad, you've seen me mad too. We know it's wrong, so we'll make it through. You're so much better without me, but I'm better without you too. I miss you, so I hold on, and it feels right, then it feels wrong. Cause I love you, but I hate you. Then I wake up and the feeling's gone. And I'm happy, cause you're happy. But my heart lies and I found the truth. I'm better.
The river flows one direction, and fishes they follow the flow. But what if one tried to mention that there was much more to explore?